how to find and see your recently viewed products on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find and see your recently viewed products on eBay easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to the top and log into your account, of course, and now go to this option of my eBay. Click on it like this and go down until you find recently viewed. It's the second one. Click on it and right here you will find your recently viewed products. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.